Iconic in its name and location, Integrity Real Estate Nowra are proud to present 56 Depot Road, West Nowra. Currently home to Boral concrete, this site is currently zoned General Industrial and is set on over 2.6 hectares of land. Come and take a look. Opportunities like this site don't come along very often, with the potential to rezone into a residential development or keep its current industrial use to make your own industrial hub. If you need any more information, please don't hesitate to call our office on 4421 0633.